All right, whoever can hit it through this hole first gets $1. Whoever can hit it through this one gets $5. And whoever can get it through the impossible hole gets $300. All right, Nat. Nice and easy. A strong start from Natalie. Oh, a 20. Clean, easy 20. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's going. Oh man, she's going for the fast strap. Go for the $1. Playing it safe. I respect that strategy. Let's see how this plays out, Cotton. Bro, she's like getting close. Okay, Flora, let's see it. Strong start. Still in play. Oh! What the frick? God damn it!